I've been looking forward to doing the video and the pictures on this car since it came in. Something about it, it is gorgeous. Great looking old school hot rod. It's a 1932 Ford Roadster. It's a Gibbons glass body, done up right. Old school power, flathead V8, 239 cubic inch, flatty. And look at Edelbrock heads. It has a Fenton intake manifold, 3 deuce carb setup, serpentine belt system, and that's paired up with a 5-speed manual transmission. We're gonna start it up, let you hear it run. I'll get the hood off there. We'll take a good look at that engine bay. It's beautiful. This would be a fun car to show, no doubt about that. Up front, Pete and Jake's front end, disc brakes, lots of chrome. Of course, the iconic grille, those headlight buckets with the turn signal indicators in them. Like I said, this car has a look. Take your time looking through the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Paint on this mandarin maroon with a saddle and peanut butter ultra leather interior. We're going to get to that in just a bit. First of all, I want to show you these wheels. Budnick wheels, 18 up front, 20-inch in the rear. As I mentioned before, disc brakes up front. Let's take a look down this passenger side. You can see this paint, it shows well. Here we go. Two-tone interior I'm talking about, seat belts, that 5-speed manual, classic instrument gauges, great looking classic dash, that old school hot rod look once again. These are M2 seats, by the way, and those are heated and power. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Nitto tires, Borla polished tips. This does have adjustable coilovers in the rear, and it also has a Franklin quick change rear end. You'll be able to see the trunk in the still pictures finished off as nicely as the interior. And once again, all those still pictures, take a look at the underside. Interior, engine bay, trunk, UniqueClassicCars.com. If you like these hot rods, street rods, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase, and you can do that online or right off our showroom floor. It does have the manual side exhaust, otherwise it's going out the rear, but those are hooked up. That's not a phony pipe that you see, done once in a while on these street rods where they'll make it look like it's going to go to the exhaust, but it does not. This vehicle is titled as a 1932 Ford Roadster. Look at the interior. Gorgeous, very comfortable seats. I did it, steering column, underneath dash right here, ignition switch, headlights. Let's get this fired up so you can hear it run. We're also going to take a peek at that engine bay, like I said. That flatty pops right over, clock working order. Odometer shows 3,336, more than likely from when it was built. Gauges, fuel gauge, voltmeter, temp. That was a cold start, so this flatty's running good, even cold. It appears we have a temp for each bank. Oil pressure, nice and high. It's up there, good oil pressure. Voltmeter. This car will take home some trophies, there's no doubt about that. Take a listen. That old school flathead sound. pause this a second. I want to get that hood panel off. As you can see, also vented. And we'll take a little closer look at that interior. Excuse me, we'll take a little closer look at the engine bay. How's that sound? And stick around to the very end. Jason will take this for a drive, show you how it goes down the road too. And here's a good look with that hood off. Very simple to take off with the 4 latches and lift. Very easy to show it this way at a car show with that removable hood. And it looks good. That 3-carb setup, Edelbrock heads, spent intake manifold. It's definitely got the look. Wow. Runs good too. It's a good looking flatty. 1932 Ford Roadster here at Unique Specialty Classics. Number to call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1932 Ford Roadster, and it's a street rod. It is a 5-speed manual with pistol grip shifter, and it is a smooth running flathead V8. All our gauges are working correctly, and as you can hear, this car has a great sound. Our fuel gauge is showing less than a half of a tank. The volts are charging over 14. Now we have 2 temperature gauges, one for the coolant and one for the oil, and they're both coming up a little over 140 right now. Speedometer's working, tachometer's working. It is have a clock, and that's working as well. Very well done car. Let's go to 5th. This car does have a Bluetooth radio with subwoofer and amp that sounds great. The blinker works as it should, and that blinker switch looks like a cylinder from a revolver, kind of matching the pistol grip. Shifting down, the clutch and the shifting feels excellent. Wait for one vehicle here. I'll just go in 2nd gear. Corner's nice and flat. There's almost no weight, so you definitely feel the power. This vehicle does come with a rear view mirror, even though you don't see one right now. Take a look at all the pictures of this street rod at uniqueclassiccars.com.